Hey y'all, come with me to try Boss Man's Bistro-N-BBQ in Tallahassee, Florida. They are locally owned and operated food truck who has made this their permanent location. They are located off of Thomasville Road, in between the Mattress Firm and the Walgreens. All right, we got Boss Man's barbecue. Open it, please. All right, we got the coleslaw. Peach cobbler.
Mom, can I have the peach cobbler?
Oh, presentation, nice. Look at that. Look at that.
I'm sorry, let's go with that.
Ribs.
Some green beans. Mac and cheese.
Ooh, I can't wait to get at that. That looks good.
That's good. Okay,
That's what that was. Look how pretty that is. That looks good, man. Okay, come on, boss man.
Get another.
Mac and cheese. And the chicken. Yeah, I know I like rib tips. I don't really care for ribs. So. Oh. These ribs here. These melting in my mouth.
Where you get them from?
Boss man. That rib tip just melted in my mouth. I didn't have a barbecue. I didn't have no barbecue like this.
That old school.
Baby, Boss Man, Miss Boss Man, I know you made these macaroni, Miss Boss Man. I know you did. Miss Boss Man, you just took me back to my childhood down in Fort Lauderdale, to Hank's stove, when his sister used to make that macaroni and collard greens. You just took me all the way. This is that old school mac and cheese. Everything I done tasted from Boss Man. This coleslaw. This macaroni. Here come the green beans. Blessed. Them hands are blessed. Let me try this side. Most times, when you go to barbecue places, they sides don't never be hitting. Baked beans, they're good. They're good. They're good. But this barbecue spot right here. Sorry, y'all. Listen, y'all. This Boss Man and Boss Lady, everything has been immaculate. Okay? From the customer service to the meats. We got the half a chicken and the rib dinner. Half a chicken dinner and a rib dinner, which comes with 2 sides. Each one comes with 2 sides and a bread. Also got frozen lemonade and peach cobbler. Also got some coleslaw. And literally everything I have tasted has been 10 out of 10. Amazing. Those ribs literally melted in my mouth. And that macaroni and cheese, baby. Thank you.